Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Sentra. And on this Nissan Sentra we're going to go over how to replace the lights for the license plate. And to just replace the lights is fairly easy. We just go in through the inside. If you need to replace the housings because they're cracked, broken, or whatnot, then you would need to remove this piece from the inside. There's a couple push pins and some nuts to be able to remove it. And then you can pop this off and then you can replace the housing. But we're just going to be replacing the lights because they're not broken. So we'll go over how you do that. So pop the trunk, raise it up, and then we have push pins around here to work and to remove. This you don't need to worry about removing because you'll be able to have enough access. Right? So once you've removed those push pins, then you can just pull this carpet piece down. This is the one reverse light, this is the other reverse light. And so you just reach up in here, twist that a quarter turn to the left, and then be able to pull the actual light out to be able to replace it. This is a 12961 light bulb that you would get to replace. So you get that new light bulb and then you would just take it, push it back into place, light it up into the housing for the light there, and then snap it back into place. And you do the same for the other side. Then when you're done, then pick this all back up, line it all up, and proceed to replace all of the push pins to hold this carpet up. And that's how you replace your license plate lights on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.